Hi friends, how are you? Today I will be teach you how to remove watermark of any image. Okay, first of all, download Hitpaw watermark. This is the paid software for PC, but you will be cracked in and use it. Okay, first of all, Hitpaw water remover open, then remove image water and second
अभी
remove
मजा
video
आएगा ना भिड़ो।
watermark. If you want remove video watermark, then select remove video watermark. I want to remove image watermark, then select remove image watermark. Okay, then select file. My file is in folder. No, yeah, this is not available. Okay, I will be downloaded many files. You can use it. Okay, suppose it is a watermark. COUPE. Suppose it is a watermark. We want to remove this image of watermark. Then selected text repair. Then selected E point to font. Then remove. Okay, they are removing now. There are three types: smooth fillings, edge fillings, and texture repair. I want to remove texture repair. Then are also working. I don't know what are will triggered. Then I will be showing you. Oh my god, how many times I created. Oh bhai. Oh my god, it's also removing this watermark. Wow, great. You can see it's remove watermark of number plate. Okay, you can use many type of images. You can use it. Then if you know this video is knowledgeful, then like it and subscribe it and share with friends. Okay, thank you for watching video. Export, you can export. Okay, open in folder. This is the image. You can see now. This is a remove. Or then okay, then